Yeah, so I got into construction, crikey, when I was at college actually. So I was at college, I was doing business studies and IT, and as part of my business studies I had to do work experience. So we had to obviously go out, like same as school, you go out a couple of weeks, work experience, and then you come back and obviously do your module on running, that business that you went and worked in. And the business I went and worked for the 2 weeks was a civil engineering company. At the time they were doing the Oracle shopping centre, so that shows how long ago it was. Actually, the context of that is in Reading, for those who don't know where the Oracle shopping centre is. And yeah, so I spent 2 weeks with a civil engineering company. I effectively spent the whole time with the MD of the company, so it's kind of really sort of insightful, experience, really understanding the day-to-day of running that type of business. And I really remember it as if it was yesterday. He sort of said to me, look, if you want to get into this industry, there's two roles that he would recommend. The first role was quantity surveying, and we talked about what quantity surveyors do and what their job entails. Or he said like site engineer, and I opted for the site engineer route, which it's like a natural route into site management and more the operational side of construction. And I think I like that. I mean, my personality is I like to engage with a lot of people. I like to be out and about, and I just didn't really like the idea of bean counting. And I say that as a joke because there's a lot of people out there, we like to refer to QSs as bean counters. Yeah, so and they like it. Yeah, I didn't really like the idea. I didn't mind bean counting. That's a joke. But I didn't like the idea of being office based, of which obviously I've become now. Now I run a business and what have you. But yeah, I like the idea of being out about on site, engaging with some colourful characters, ground workers, as you can imagine, probably quite colourful, and steel erectors. You just have to line and level frames before they got signed off. And yeah, I very much like the idea of site engineering, so that's how I got into it. So when I finished the work experience, got to the end of my time at college, there used to be a thing called a construction handbook. It used to be quite a good document. It used to have all like the top construction companies in there and all the contact details. And back then, I think it was back then before really we're using computers mainstream, and I hand wrote 20 odd letters to the top construction companies. And I was very fortunate to be offered an interview with quite a few of them, and I ended up taking a job with Tarmac Construction to become Carillion as a site engineer, trainee site engineer. Yeah.